Hello everyone, my name is Sutanes. Today I am here to present my experience as an intern at Yamai Technologies Private Limited as an Android application development, testing and bug tracking under the guidance of Professor Honraju and my external guide Mr. Srinivas RC. Let's have a look into the contents which I am gonna discuss. At the beginning, I will discuss about the company, their vision and mission, the proposed work, and the skills I have gained at Yamai Technologies as an intern and benefits that I have gained at Yamai Technologies by doing this internship. And at the end, I have displayed my internship certificate. About the company. The company was founded by Mr. Srinivas RC. He is the CEO and the founder of the company. So company has its own application product called Yamai. So here in this application, people can connect people throughout the globe. So Yamai allows user to share their live moment to their friends and can share stories to their circle. So the main aim here is to make people connect each other throughout the globe using this application called Yamai. Proposed work. So we were designated with the role of Android application tester and bug tracker. So the company has its own application called Yamai. So where people can connect each other throughout the globe. So our work as a tester was to identify these bugs in the application, and after identifying these bugs, we have to report it through a tool called backlog where developer fix these bugs. So throughout our internship, we were working on a backlog tool where we used to find bugs, where we have to find bugs nearly 10 to 15 bugs per day, and we have to flag our report those bugs using a tool called backlog. So this was the proposed work throughout the internship, where we used to identify the bugs and we used to report these bugs and to the developer using a tool called backlog. Coming to the skills that I have gained by doing this internship is technical skills and the non-technical skills. The technical skills, I got a hands-on exposure on Android application testing and bug tracking, where I learned about new tool called backlog, where we can easily submit the identified bug, and knowledge about detecting the tracking of the bugs in the application. Coming towards the non-technical skills, I learned that communication plays a major role in any industry, and time management skills. We have to complete the day-to-day task in a given time. So there we have learned about the time management skills, interpersonal skills, networking with the people to solve the problems, and we have to be creative mind and positive attitude to solve any kind of problems. So these are the skills I have gained by doing this internship. Coming towards the benefits of doing internship at Yamai is, doing my internship at Yamai gave me the hands-on exposure to the life working along training of the period, and I learned how to determine the problem and try to fix those problems in given amount of time. So this made me to utilize the time skillfully. It taught me to work together as a team to contribute to the team as an individual. During this project, it indirectly helped me to independent, disciplined, and to self-trust and to take initiative and ability to solve the problem. So I think these are the benefits that I have gained doing internship. This is my internship completion certificate. I have started my internship from 10th August 2020 and have completed it on 24th September 2020 at Yamai Technologies, and my designated role was Android application development testing and bug tracking. Thank you.